Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut out an object in Gimp. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, just open the Gimp, and once you open it, simply select the image you want to work with. To make the background transparent, simply go to the top menu and click on this layer. After that, in the drop down menu, click on this transparency. Then click on this alpha channel. This step is crucial for transparency. Once you have selected, now choose the free select tool from the toolbox here. Simply click and drag around the area that you want to keep. Be sure to loop it back to your starting point and click on close selection. Then simply go to select and from the drop down menu, click on this invert. This will switch the selection to everything outside of the area you have just outlined. After that, press Ctrl plus X on your keyboard and that's pretty much it. The background is gone. Now here to keep the transparency, you can go to the file and from the drop down menu click on export as and choose the PNG format and hit export. And then you are good to go. You have successfully removed the background and saved your image with transparency. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to cut out an object in GIMP. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.